Yo, showing this Ford Taurus. What year is it? It is
1992.
1992 Ford Taurus. Is that a V6, V8, or?
Yamaha SHO.
Oh wow! 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 Woo! That's a monster right here. Wow.
Only a 3.2 liter.
Oh, 3.2 liter. Wow. It's clean. I love it, man. Wow. Good looking car. So did you buy it with the engine like that, or you do
I
it?
did everything. I didn't buy it. It's all made.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So is that a custom engine or?
The only thing is the low compression forged pistons.
Okay. Wow.
I did that back in 2015.
2015. So how many years it took you to build everything?
I started in July.
July. Wow.
Engine was built for that car.
So engine came from this car over there. Is that the same year model or is it different?
91.
91.
But then,
Okay. Good looking.
then why, when I was in this, so then when I wreck it,
Wow.
putting on with low boost,
Okay.
so I got an engine that's built for boost.
Wow.
That's with compound stuff I have now.
Wow. So it's a SHO 24 valve. Wow.
Super high output.
Wow. Man, I love it. And I like the carbon fiber you put on it. It's unique, man.
Everything looked lighter going fast, right?
Oh, wow. So it's a manual, like, okay. And I like the seat, the race seat. Wow. So what did you put here? How you call it? Wow. So that's a turbo, right? That's a turbo. Two turbo. Wow. Compound. Wow. How many horsepower? Oh, you don't know yet.
That one was 563 with the GT42 on it.
Okay, so that maybe you're 600 or more right now. Maybe 800. Oh, okay, wow. And I like the sound. Wow. Good. Wow. Okay, guys. That was a quick, So what's your name? All right, good job, man. We love it. So you're gonna hook this one up?
Yeah, that just hit my head.
Oh. But you don't think it's gonna be hot inside the car? Oh, okay.
That's for one time.
Yeah.
That's but everything else is operating.
Oh, okay. Wow. So are you gonna put any roll cage inside?
Hell no.
Oh no. Oh, okay.
We're gonna put a firewall in here.
Oh, you're gonna put the firewall. Oh, okay.
Cut down on the heat. It'll be a nice ride in the winter.
Okay, that's good.
Summer, I got my other cars.
Yeah, but I like here, I like the it's original. I love it. Wow. All right, thank you very much.